Simplify the fraction. Number 4, ha? Number 4. Number 4. Simplify. Say, simplify the fraction. Okay. 1/2 1/6 plus 3/10 1/4. Okay. So beforehand, you have to change the mixed number into fraction. 1/2 plus 1/6 plus change that to mixed number into fraction. 4 times 3 plus 1. So 13. 4 times 3 plus 1 times plus 1. So 13 over 4 plus this. Okay? And then you will get the least common denominator. What is the least common denominator? What is the least common denominator? If you will multiply all, it will become 8 times 4. 16, 16, 32. So if you will see, anong number na pwede i-divide? Only 12. Pwede 24 kung gusto mo. Diba? So 12 divided by 2, pwede. 12 divided by 2, 6. 12 divided by 6, 2. 12 divided by 4, 3. I-test mo. Kung hindi, if not, you get the factor of all the denominators. What is the factor of 2? Factor of 2 is 2 times 1. Factor of 6 is 2 times 3. Pwede rin 1 by 6. Factor of 4 is 2 times 2 or 4 times 1. What will you get? 6 and 2. Kasali naman yung 2 sa 6, 2. Okay, we have 12 divided by 2. What will happen? 6 times 1. So 6 plus 12 divided by 6. What will happen? 2 times 1. 2 plus 12 divided by 4. 3 times 13. 3 times 13. What is the answer? 39. You are, okay, 41 and 47 over 12. Can you reduce?
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
47 is not divisible by 2. 12 is divisible by 2, by 3, and 4. 47, wala. So the answer is that. That is correct.